सो हे गाइस, कैसे हो आप सब लोग। अग्निवा माइती दिस साइड बैक विद अनदर यूट्यूब वीडियो। तो आपने अभी तक चेकआउट किया है क्या हमारे सिनर्जी में कितने सिलेक्शंस हुए फॉर दिस अगस्त 2024 बैच? चलो यार, अभी तक अगर चेकआउट नहीं किया है so you can just visit our social media platform at Budding Marinas on Instagram and check out all our selections, not only Synergy, V-Ships, Great Eastern, हमारे Anglo Eastern, MSC, WSM and all the companies out there। जितने भी हमारे सिलेक्शन हुए सारे हमारे इंस्टाग्राम पेज पे लाइक पुट आउट हुए उनके सिलेक्शन पोस्टर्स। यू कैन जस्ट चेक इट आउट। एंड यस, द रीज़न वाई आई एम टेलिंग यू ऑल अबाउट दिस टुडे इज़ बिकॉज मैं आज अपना एक्सपीरियंस शेयर करने वाला हूँ as a mentor at Budding Marinas, because I have been training all my students for V-Ships and Synergy examinations. Like I have been a company specific mentor for V-Ships and Synergy at Budding Marinas, and मैंने बहुत सारे बच्चे ट्रेन भी किए थे for the same and we had selections as well. So yes, आज मैं अपना एक्सपीरियंस शेयर करने वाला हूँ आप सबके साथ कि थ्रू आउट दिस होल like time with Budding Marinas, very soon I'll be like going for my induction process in my company, and very soon will be joining for my कैडेटशिप एज वेल। तो आज बस वही है कि मैं अपना एक्सपीरियंस शेयर करने वाला हूँ कि कैसा मेरा जर्नी था एज अ मेंटर एट बडिंग। सो विदाउट एनी फर्दर एड्यू, लेट्स गेट ऑन विद टुडेज वीडियो। Firstly, if I talk about myself, I was a 2022 pass out. I was a year dropper. I didn't know much about Merchant Navy. That is where Budding Marinas came in. I got connected with Shanawaz sir, Ojas sir, learned a lot about this maritime industry, and eventually I was a part of Budding Marinas batch 16, which I am a proud student, like a proud alumni based student of. And yes, last year in 2023, I had cleared 3 companies, which is Great Eastern, V-Ships and Synergy. And I chose Synergy and completed my DNS course. And recently in June 13th, I had passed out from my college officially. And currently I am waiting for my company's induction part. Yes, this was my journey throughout Budding Marinas and getting selected in my company. I also had my very beloved Synergy seniors who are currently sailing. Yes, they were my company specific mentors. If I talk about them, they are like really cool, I would say, at the same time, because they have been guiding me throughout the storyline. Like till date I'm connected with them. अभी भी मैं उन लोग से कनेक्शन में हूँ, like through social media platforms and WhatsApp and all. तो मैं उनसे अभी भी गाइडेंस सीख करते रहता हूँ, and they are always willing to help me out. Like let it be anything, starting from your ship joining, cadetship, DNS, कुछ भी मेरे को डाउट आता है मैं हमेशा उन लोग को रीच आउट करता हूँ। So this is something I find very unique at Budding Marinas, because Budding Marinas is not just a like edtech platform where we prepare students for merchant navy. It is more or less a family to me, because यहाँ पे मेरे इतने ज़्यादा फ्रेंड्स बने हैं, मेरे इतने ज़्यादा मेंटर्स बने हैं, मेरे इतने ज़्यादा बिलोवेड जूनियर्स बने हैं कि मैं आपको समझा नहीं सकता हूँ। बिकॉज आई हैव बीन इन टच विद अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल एंड आई हैव लर्न अ लॉट बीइंग अ पार्ट ऑफ Budding Marinas। अगर मैं मेरे खुद की कंपनी स्पेसिफिक प्रेप की बात करूँ, आई हैड माई सीनियर्स हु हैड ट्रेन मी फॉर द रिटन पार्ट। आई हैड वन मेंटर फॉर द रिटन पार्ट एंड वन मेंटर फॉर द इंटरव्यू पार्ट। एंड यस, रिटन का A to Z नॉलेज मेरे को उनसे मिला था, एंड इंटरव्यू के मॉक सेशंस बार बार दे के मैंने अपने इंटरव्यूज़ के लिए अच्छे से प्रिपेयर करे थे फॉर Synergy स्पेसिफिकली। तो मैं कहूँगा एट Budding Marinas दिस मॉड्यूल इज़ वेरी अमेजिंग, where name any company, you will have a WhatsApp group to it and a mentor for the same, and he or she will take care of your preparations starting from your form filling, written examinations, interviews, and throughout the whole documentation part. And yes, fortunate enough, I have been a mentor at Budding Marinas since like past November, December 2023, and till date I am a mentor at Budding Marinas, and I'm looking forward to guide my beloved juniors for the future as well.
Hey guys, आप लोग वीडियो तो देख रहे हो, पर क्या आपने फॉर्म भरा? नहीं, राइट? ऑल्सो स्किप नहीं होगा, इट्स नॉट एन एड। आफ्टर ऑल आपकी हेल्प के लिए ही है, चाहे मर्चेंट नेवी रिलेटेड बेसिक डाउट्स हो या प्रिपरेशन में हेल्प चाहिए हो। Our mentors are always there for you. So fill the form in the description and like this video before you go.
Well, अब अगर मैं बात करूँ my experience being a mentor, so yes, it was really amazing. I used to take out time during my pre-C course at HIMT. I had started interacting with our students back when I was in my second semester in HIMT. And yes, मैं टाइम निकाल के सेशंस लेता था. I had my amazing juniors who were preparing for Synergy examinations and V-Ships examinations. This is where Budding Marinas came in the picture. I was in touch with almost all my juniors, and उन लोग को help करने के लिए I didn't have to really search a lot of materials here and there. I already had all the PYQs and materials in my hand provided by Budding Marinas. What I had to do is just mold and shape them and guide them the right manner. तो मैंने वही किया, एंड यस आई वॉज वेरी हैप्पी. लाइक बहुत अच्छा इंट्रैक्शन होता था मेरे सारे जूनियर्स के साथ. वो प्रिपेयरिंग अलॉन्ग विथ मी. एंड यस अभी भी मैं उनके साथ टच में हूँ. एंड इवन आई एम लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड टू गाइड देम फॉर द फ्यूचर एज वेल. कभी भी कोई भी दिक्कत है DNS में या कैडेटशिप में, ऑब्वियसली दिस साइकिल एट बडिंग मरीनस कीप्स ऑन गोइंग. Like my seniors, the seniors I had during my preparation, they are currently sailing. Like next I'll be sailing, and after me the next generation of the DNS batches will be coming. So this cycle keeps on continuing at Budding Mariners, which I like the most. And yes, looking forward to guide all my juniors and seek guidance from my mentors as well. So yes, this was all about my experience at Budding Mariners as a mentor. And surely enough, even though if I go for my cadetship, I'll surely be connected with Budding Mariners as well. Whenever I come back at land, and whenever I'm on board as well, I'll try and be connected with all of my juniors, and will be looking forward to guide each and every one of you as well. So yes, the last message from my side for all my juniors who are going in for their DNS course in various institutes. Stay connected if in case you have any doubts regarding these DNS courses or your further procedures as well. Feel free to contact me anytime, because I know each and every one of you have my number. Yes, that will be it from my side for today. If in case you have any doubts regarding Merchant Navy or are trying to seek guidance from mentors like us, you can just fill this form in the description box below. So alright, this will be it from my side for today. Stay tuned for the next informative one. Thank you and have a great day.
Do you guys want the updates regarding the exam forms or the maritime industry in general? या फिर एग्जाम्स के लिए मोटिवेशन चाहिए, then you definitely need to follow our Instagram channel for all this stuff and much more.
Want the best notes and material for IMU CT and sponsorship exams? Want daily quizzes? Or do you want your doubts about your merchant navy career solved by our mentors? Search Budding Mariners on Telegram or click on the link in the description below to start your marina journey with us today.